This is an upstairs master bedroom attic remodel that I did. I started out by demoing everything, taking out all the carpet, ditching all the MDF veneered cabinets that were here. Took out and replaced some of the subfloor, leveled some joist. The flooring guys put in this white oak quarter sawn flooring. They killed it, it looks really good. Then I framed out this wall here with this mini door that goes into extra space back there. I framed out these closets here, got a cool angle on there. Then drywall was put on, all the electrical was ran. And this door was a pocket door, but they had me reframe it for this custom door that they had. And after drywall and paint was on, or primed, I came in and trimmed everything out with Windsor 1. This is the base. It's all scribed to the floor. And over here is a walnut built-in that I did. Basically built the frame, scribed it to the floor, trimmed it out with a 1x6, and then our case, or sorry, our base, and then did these glue-up walnut shelves. These are just room and board dressers. And then did a plywood top here, and then ran flooring across the top of that, all white oak, with a walnut strip across the front here. And it turned out really good. So that's the walnut dresser built in I did, and then I did this little plywood built-in shoe rack thing. It's at an angle. I installed all these shelves and stuff. And then over here, trimmed all this out in white oak. Came out pretty nice. It's all quarter sawn too. You can see the tiger stripe in there. So here it is, here's the before picture. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, please like the video. And yeah, catch me next time. Bye.